Hey guys, Spencer from Builderpreneur here, and this video is about affiliate marketing with YouTube, and I'm really excited to talk about this because this is actually how I made my first real commissions in affiliate marketing, and so I've always just kind of had this like, I love YouTube for affiliate marketing because it really is probably the best platform as an affiliate marketer. So stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Thanks for watching. Two things before we get started. The first one is, at any point in this video, if you happen to be liking what you're hearing, please click subscribe. Please leave a comment and ask any questions that you have. The second thing is, there is a link to a free training down below where I give you a lot more than just this. I take you inside of my business and show you exactly how my affiliate marketing business is able to generate a full-time income for me. So that link is down below. So let's dive right in. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is proper equipment, because this is where I get all the different comments that people are talking about. Like, well, what do I need for this? What do I need for this? People ask tons of equipment questions, and I finally created this little thing on my website, builderpreneur.com/tools, link down below, that I show you everything that you need as far as tools, and that way I don't have to talk about it too much, okay? So if you just come here and you type in YouTube, it'll show you everything that I use in my YouTube business, okay? There's the tripod I use, there's the software that I use, there's the lighting, there's the webcam, there's the microphone, there's the software that I use to edit, okay? So everything I need right there, boom, we won't talk too much about that. So the first thing you need to do, and maybe you've already done this if you're already doing affiliate marketing, is picking a niche, okay, or a niche. Niche. You've got to choose something a little more specific, and a lot of affiliates struggle with this. They think they just want to like sell to anybody, but you need to pick a very specific group of people that you're going to sell to, okay? So the big three niches are health, wealth, and relationships. You're helping people make money, you're helping people become more healthy, or you're helping people find relationships. Now that's not good enough, though. You need to take one of those, so one of those categories, and you need to get a little bit deeper than that typically, okay? So you know, if you're in health, you could say, well, I'm health, but I'm specifically for, I've seen people do really well with like pregnant women, or I'm specifically for dads that work long hours, or you get just a little bit more specific than that, right? I'm specifically for people that are trying to work on core, or whatever it is, but you've got to just narrow down just a little bit more so that you can build a more tight audience, okay? It's really hard. There's a lot of people that want to learn how to make money online, or how to be more healthy, but there's a lot of ways to do all that too, and so you typically try to go just a little bit more narrow, and it'll help your business quite a bit as you can have your messaging much more honed into your audience, who is interested in that very specific thing that you're talking about. So choose a niche. Next thing you need to do is pick products. Okay, pick products that are in your niche. People overcomplicate this. Okay, there is so many affiliate programs out there. It's literally insane. Literally, the first thing I would do is, if my niche was like health, I would type it into Google. Best affiliate programs in health space. Boom, and guess what? They're done in the health space, actually. Health and beauty affiliate programs by markethealth.com. 67 best affiliate programs. 10 health and wellness affiliate programs, okay? Very easy. Same thing in wealth space, right? Boom, I'm going to get a ton of people. Just 67 best affiliate programs of 2019, highest paying. So you're going to start there. Boom, you've got a ton now to start to run with. Another thing you can do is, there's a link down below. It's called my recurring list, and this is a list of affiliate programs that kind of have higher commissions. They'll give you actually recurring commissions, meaning they're programs that charge users monthly, and that way you're able to make a monthly commission, which is definitely the best way to go about affiliate marketing. So that's the next place. There's a couple like random, I call them like brokers. Basically, they just connect people with affiliate programs with affiliates like us. JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, lots of places like that. And then the last place to look for these products is just like, what are you using? Like, I'm assuming if you chose the health, lose weight for dads space, that you're probably, hopefully, a dad that has lost some weight, and that's why you are passionate about it. So what do you use? Like, what programs do you use? What physical things did you use? What dumbbells did you use? There's all kinds of things that you actually have used yourself already that can just very easily be turned into an affiliate link. So if you look, this is a great example right here. People ask me, like, what do you use in YouTube? Oh, I use all these, so I'm an affiliate of every one of these, except for the backdrop. The backdrop, they didn't let me. You guys like the backdrop? Ding! Okay, so we're gonna get equipment, choose a niche, pick our products that are related to our niche and that can benefit our audience. Okay. Typically, I try not to promote very many products that I haven't used myself, and definitely I'll at least go and get a good idea of what the reputation is before I'll promote it. Next thing is keyword research. Okay, so this is super important with YouTube. You need to figure out what people are looking for. Like, you can make a video that's great for a specific product, but if no one watches that video and no one's searching for anything for that video, it's pretty useless, right? No one's gonna watch it. So we try to figure out what people are looking for, and there's tons of the best free keyword tool I've ever seen is called keywordtool.io. We're gonna go here. And what we're looking for is two things, what I call hot and warm traffic, okay? Hot traffic is, we just chose a bunch of affiliate programs, right? You keep seeing me look over here. I'm looking at my computer screen because I have some notes. We've chosen these affiliate programs we want to promote. Let's say Beachbody in the health space, right? Or ClickFunnels in the wealth space, or some like gold investing or something in the wealth space. We've chosen that. Well, hot keywords are people that are kind of already looking for that product, right? So, for example, let's say we use Beachbody. Beachbody review. People are looking for, you know, a review like, is this for me? What is Beachbody? Who is Beachbody for? Just the keyword Beachbody itself, right? There's tons of people searching for, like, they're like almost on the edge of buying, but they kind of head over to YouTube to maybe learn a little bit more before they buy or something like that. And those are really hot buyers, and we absolutely want to target them first, okay? So you can do reviews, you can do like comparisons, so people get on like, hey, should I choose Beachbody or P90X? I don't know if those are even remotely related, but basically you take these really hot keywords, right, where there's people that are like, they are going to buy their credit cards out, they're just kind of like looking for some help in the buying decision. That's the first thing we're looking for. So right, if I typed in Beachbody and then I went to YouTube here, oh, they used to give you some search volume for the first few. Oh, they give you a little bit, but Beachbody workouts, Beachbody on demand, Beachbody meme, Beachbody abs, Beachbody workout men. Okay, you seeing this? Boom, we've got ideas now that we can start targeting. A couple other tools you can go to. There's one called Ahrefs that's paid, but they have a free trial, so you can do a lot of, I don't know, they have like a $1 trial or something, so you can get a lot of research done just during your trial period. And there's another one called longtailpro.com that you can use to get a lot of keywords. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna build up a big list of keywords, okay? And then they're gonna be hot, and then they're gonna be warm. And when I say warm, it means there are people that are kind of looking for the product, but they don't know they're looking for the product, right? So these people are actually looking for the product Beachbody. They're hot, they're ready to go. Not that kind of hot. And the other type of person might be somebody that says how to get strong abs, right? So they may not know about Beachbody, they've never heard of Beachbody. All they know is they got abs that they want to look better and be stronger, right? And you can take that and take a video and say, hey, here's how to get stronger abs. By the way, I learned this from Beachbody. If you want to get a lot more information, you know, there's a link down below to Beachbody, and then that's your affiliate link right there, right? So those are the warmer keywords where they're not necessarily looking for that exact product, but they are looking on YouTube with a problem, and if you can solve that problem with your product, boom, you know, good things happen. So choose your niche, pick your product, do your keyword research, and then it's time to start filming, okay? So we film and we optimize. Basically, we start making each of these. We make videos around this as much as we possibly can. I try to put out a couple videos every week. And we start with the hottest keywords, right? And then we just work our way down. And each video is optimized for a specific keyword, right? So, for example, I might make a video about different Beachbody workouts, okay? And that video will be optimized for that specific keyword, or like very similar related. You know, what are Beachbody workouts, best Beachbody workouts, things like that. And when I say optimize, I mean we're going to go into YouTube and we're going to build that into our title. We're going to build it into our description. We're going to build it into our tags. We're going to say it a lot in the video. You know, everything is going to be like, basically that whole video is built around that idea. And then YouTube's able to very clearly see exactly what our video is about. So we're going to make a bunch of these videos and we're going to optimize them for very specific keywords. Beachbody on demand is going to be a different video. Beachbody meme is probably not going to be a video. You know, Beachbody abs, Beachbody workout men, that'll be a different video. So we're going to make these videos and then we're going to optimize it. They say longer is better. Longer is better. Like my longer videos tend to do better as far as ranking in YouTube. But more importantly than that, make your video useful. However long your video needs to be to most benefit the person is probably exactly how long it needs to be. If you go past that, then people are just going to start dropping off because you're rambling, like maybe I am right now. If you go too short, then people are like, that video didn't answer my question, you know, didn't give me enough information to make the decision that I want to make here. So the last thing is to just talk about, well, how do we actually link them to it? Okay, there's a few ways that you can link somebody to your affiliate product. And the first one is just simply in the description. So you see in my description down below, I've already talked like 3 or 4 times about links in the description. Okay, so we can add our affiliate links to the description. The other way we can do it. I'm just going to show you right here. A couple little ways. One of them is cards. Okay, and cards are these things at the end right here. So let's watch. Cool. So if you look right, oh, I just pointed. Right there is a card where I can add a link to my website. Okay, and you can also add those throughout the video. They'll pop up, you know, like when they pop up right here, those little things. So that's the second way we can add. We can add a description, and we can add them right there. Now, it's important to note these can only link directly to your website, so you'll have to make like a bridge page, like a page on your website that talks about the product and then sends people there. But you can do that. So that's how we link, is we link in the description, and we link in the cards, and we do it with a landing page, meaning we send people not straight to the affiliate link from the card, but we send them to a page like this. Okay, and in my case, this actually is a product I sell. I forgot this is one of the products I actually do sell. but anyway, we could build a page right here that would say like, hey, you know, check out this cool Beachbody product. Big button, go grab Beachbody right now, and they can go grab it right now. So that's the two ways that we actually send people to these links. And that's affiliate marketing with YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna go quick overview. Get your equipment, choose your niche, pick your products, do your keyword research, make your videos, and then optimize each video for specific keywords. Add your links throughout the video, whether it's at the bottom or in those cards, and then you're seriously ready to roll. Now you just need to start pumping out videos. You need to take that keyword research and take all those, you know, different videos that you want to make, and you need to start pumping out videos. And I promise you, as crazy as it sounds, good things will just start to happen as you do so. You'll always be surprised when a video randomly starts ranking. Now, of course, like I said, there's a lot more that goes into ranking videos and things like that, and I can't explain all of that in one single YouTube video. But I do talk a lot more about this in this free training that you can get a link to down below.